So before that, we have completed the basic of HTML, that is in console application. So let's go to our these things I already completed. I have gone to browser and I have opened the incognito tab that is already opened here, you can see. And I have shown you many different lines, that many syntax that is available in JavaScript. That is very basics actually. And in this, let me proceed further. In this lecture, we will talk about the how to connect different JavaScript file into an HTML file. Okay, so we learned it quite a bit in the last lecture. So let's take a break and just show you how to connect JavaScript to an HTML file. So we will open up Atom and browser this time. Okay, so this time what we will do, we will open the Atom editor and browser side by side. Okay, then Mm, after that, I will show you one exercise that is also
10% ज्यादा नहीं
related
है
to
बस पर मेरे को
uh, JavaScript exercise. Okay, so let me proceed further, and I want to open my Atom text editor. Let me close these all the extra tabs. And here we have two files that is already created. One is CSS file, and another one is HTML file. So I will use that the same HTML file, but for that CSS file, I am not using that CSS file for this JavaScript training. Let me create one another JavaScript file so I can show you these things. So let me make this fresh HTML template, and I want to create one file, that is new file, and that should be uh, main javascript.js, I think. Okay. Okay. So I'm writing the name of my script.js. Okay. So this is my script.js file. In which file, in this file, actually, I will write the JavaScript. And here in this HTML file, I will use that. Okay. So let me first include this JavaScript file. So how I can include? I should uh, I will make the one script tag. Okay, so inside that script tag I will give the source. Okay, so actually source should be that my script.js. Okay, so I need to write my file name my script.js. Okay, and this thing I already have done. Okay, so let me close the tag. So let me close that script tag so you can understand how to include any JavaScript file into an HTML code. So this way we can include any external JavaScript file. Okay, and let me write some some code here. Let's say H1, and in H1 I am writing code that is very small banking system application I'm making actually. Sorry. So welcome to your bank. Okay, so this way we can write our HTML code, and let me show you the actually what I want to do. Let me open this file here. Let me save this so that we can see our web page. So it is simple H1 heading that I created. Okay, and I am not using that CSS file, and I will use that JavaScript file actually. So let me show you how to use that JavaScript file. So let me write some JavaScript here in this file. And first JavaScript I already told you that alert. So I am using the alert here. In alert I am writing some message. What message? Welcome to our bank. This message I am writing. Okay. So let me save this file, and here in HTML file I already included. Then you can see after refreshing this page, we are able to see the pop-up. So now we are sure our JavaScript file is perfectly linked to our HTML. Okay, because this is working, but pop-up is working. So let me do is okay. And I want to write some other JavaScript also, so that we have already practiced. So let me write one variable for our banking system, and in the variable name should be deposit. And inside deposit, I am writing. Actually, I want to give some prompt. Okay, because on the basis of that prompt, I want user enter some number. Okay, some value. So how much would you like? Uh, so how much would you like to deposit? Okay, I can ask this question to the user, and so let me copy that, and I want to see the changes. Okay, this page is actually what is this thing? So first alert will execute, then after that this deposit will execute. Let me do okay, and after doing okay, because alert already welcomed you on banking application, and here my banking application is asking you how much would you like to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit that much of money, and it's done. Okay, so let me see the deposit result also. Okay, so this thing I want to see after this prompt. So for this I need to give the alert, and inside alert I should write you have deposited. What you have deposited? You have deposited so after deposit I will write the deposit variable name. Okay, so directly I'm writing the deposit variable name. So this variable name will fetch the result, that is uh, that is you will enter in deposit prompt. Okay, so after that I want to write console.log. Okay, inside that console.log I want to give one print. Okay, one message. So you are a cool person. Okay, so this message I want to give. So let me save this, and let me re again our application. So this is what it is showing. It is showing alert. Okay, after alert it is want to enter. some money. Let's say I have entered 78. Then it says what it said. It said you have deposited what 78. Okay. Then okay, and in the console log we have this message: you are a cool person. But here we are not able to see. Okay, but where I can see the console.log print for our web application, I can show you here only. In fact, in console, you can see you are a cool person. Okay, and this is coming from this myscript.js file and line number 4. Line number 4. Okay, this way you can debug your application and you can make the very robust JavaScript application. So actually, I like very much this language. JavaScript is very good language. Okay, and actually by using the JavaScript you can do the every work, and you can make your web application so that that a web application work like a famous websites. Okay, so you can make any clone of any big company. But this is possible only with the help of JavaScript frameworks in JavaScript. So this is all about how to include JavaScript file separately in your HTML, and you can do the JavaScript thing in your browser. And so let me show you the exercise. Okay, so I want to show you the exercise in our JavaScript so that you can understand what is the exercise actually. So in this JavaScript level 1, we have exercise. So actually what is this exercise? In this exercise we have given this code. Okay, this JavaScript file we have already given. Okay, and we have this part3.js JavaScript. We need to write the JavaScript actually according to the this information. You can see to complete this exercise, link this HTML file JavaScript, this exercise.html to your own.js file. Okay, so whenever you will do that assignment, so you write your own JavaScript file. So you need to include that your own JavaScript file with your name, but here they are including it by part3.js. Okay, use JavaScript to accept a number input in pounds. Okay, so what this exercise is? This exercise is telling we will use JavaScript कि वो एक नंबर को एक्सेप्ट करे, वो भी पाउंड्स के यूनिट्स में. Then in your JavaScript file, it convert this number to the kilograms. Okay, so so when you want to convert any pounds into kilogram, you need to multiply it with 0.454 number. Afterward, so meaning of this line is that after entering some value in the form of pounds, you need to what? You need to do some calculation, and this types of calculation is only possible in JavaScript file. So afterwards, report back in alert, and okay. After that, what you will do? You will alert. You will give alert in browser and say this is the value in kilogram. Okay, after converting, then log or write conversion completed to the console log. Okay. So why we are writing this log? This log is actually we are writing for debug purpose. Okay, when you want to debug your application, if this print is not came, this means there is some error in your application. If this print came, then it means your application is working fine. So you need to understand these processes for software development. Okay, so I'm not writing the code of this exercise. I want to show you the result directly actually. Okay, so that we are going to our JavaScript file, this JavaScript file, and here you can see First step is what? We need to give the one variable. Inside that variable, we want to enter some LBS value, that is pounds. And after that, in kilogram, we are storing this LBS into this. And alert, we are giving this. Okay, this is kilogram value, and log, I want to give conversion completed. So this is the JavaScript for that exercise we need. And these 4 lines are completing these solutions. And let me show this you in browser also. So for that, what I need to do, I need to copy the full path of that exercise. And I want to open the same file here. And let me cancel this. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, after refreshing, you can see first step is this already linked. Okay, second step is it is accepting one some pound number. Okay, so I'm giving here 10 pound. Okay, so I click OK. So after that, what this application have done, this application in backend already calculated the things, and this gave the result. Okay, so in the screen you can see we have 4.54 kilogram. So you need to say OK. And here on console you can see we have our result also, conversion completed. Okay, so this way you can understand the different properties of JavaScript. And this is all about today's lecture. And the coming lecture I will show you more JavaScript, because JavaScript is very important. I'm telling you many times, JavaScript is more used by the developers. Okay, so let me record this video.